So as you can see, I have one half of my face already done with the patriotic look that I'm going to be showing you guys today. Let me first just start out and say this is not how I wanted to film this. I wanted to film it in my other setup with my camera and the TV tables and the monitor and everything. But my one outlet decided not to work with my monitor. The monitor still works, the outlet still works, they just don't work together. So now I have to kind of reconfigure my setting again, and I figured I would do this right here where I already did all this makeup, and so you guys can see it, and I will work on my setting another day. So I'm really sorry. I am using my computer to film today instead of my camera. I hope that it doesn't ruin the quality for you guys and that you still find this tutorial very, very interesting. So this is the look that we are going to be creating today. It is a very patriotic 4th of July look. Got a little bit of blue fading into red and white on the lip, and I'm very excited to show this to you guys. I was super excited about it. And we're going to be using some new brushes that I got today. I'm super excited about them. I'm not going to do a review on them just because, I mean, they're brushes. I'm going to be doing a review on another brush set that I'm getting in the future, but these ones I'm just going to use and play with, and maybe I'll post something on my Instagram or my Twitter talking about how much I love them, because I already love them. I used them for this look and it turned out great. So I'm going to go ahead and get set up and we'll get started. I've already primed my eye, and I'm going to take my ColourPop E17, which looks like this. I am testing out the ColourPop eye brush roll that came out with the Bare Necessities palette. I'm very excited about it. But we're going to take the ColourPop E17, and we're going to take a combination of the color You're Kidding from the James Charles X Morphe palette, the color Hunt from the Jaclyn Hill X Morphe Volume 1, and Livin' My Best from the Jaclyn Hill X Morphe Volume 2 palette. And we're just going to take that on this brush and we're going to stamp it into my crease and slightly wing it out to elongate the shape of it. E16, I'm going to go in with the Morphe Jaclyn Hill Volume 1. I'm going to take Hunts again with a combination of the color Jax, which is right below it. It's a slightly darker red. I'm going to concentrate that because this is a little bit more of a flatter crease brush. I'm going to concentrate that more in my crease instead of above. Now I'm going to take this fluffy brush from Bizanti and just blend everything out. I'm being totally messy with this. We're going to go back and clean it all up later. I've blended out what I made really, really messy, and I've cleaned it up. And so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my CoverGirl foundation, like I always do, and this brush that I just got from a little modeling fashion show that I did, and I'm going to cut my crease, which I'm just going to quite literally cut out because you guys saw me do that in the last tutorial and you guys have seen me do it before. So once I cut my crease and get the shape I want, I will be right back. So I have cut my crease, as you guys can see. Now I'm going to take the ColourPop E3, which is this flat shader brush right here. I'm going to take DEATHBLOW from the Jeffree Star Cremated palette. And I have wet this brush, by the way. I dampened it with the Makeup Revolution fixing spray in Peaches and Cream. And I'm going to put this on the inner half of my eyelid. I'm going to start from the inner corner and just build it out to the middle. And it's going to take several layers because, you know, it's a white, but I definitely want to make it pigmented. So I'm using patting motion. Now I'm just going to take that other brush, this was the E16, I'm just going to clean up that crease area a little bit. Taking the ColourPop E4 that I've also dampened, I'm going to take a combination of the color Haze from the Lunar Beauty Strawberry Dream palette, and the color Berber from the Juvia's Place Saharan 2 palette, and that is going to go on the outer half of my lid. And then I'm going to do what I need to with both brushes to make sure that the blend from the white to the blue is as seamless as I can possibly get. Is I'm going to take the ColourPop liquid liner in the color Try Me, this beautiful red shade, just like that, and I'm going to do just a basic winged liner, kind of like you can see right here, and I'm going to get it to meet up with the red in the crease, so it's going to go a little past the blue and meet up with the red in the crease. Is I'm going to use the same two blue shades that I used on my outer half of my lid. I'm going to take the Moda angled eyeliner brush and this fluffy brush, and I'm just going to apply that to my lower lash line, kind of like you see here, and then use this to blend it out. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go put on some mascara, and I will be back to do the lip look with you guys. So I have put on a little bit of black eyeliner on my tight line and waterline and some mascara, and now we're just going to go and finish up with the lip look. So we are going to still be continuing with the red, white, and blue theme. So as you can see, I took off the one half of my lips that I had already had done. I wanted to redo them and fix them. So we're going to go in with a liquid lipstick. I'm using the Dose of Colors liquid lipstick in Date Night. I got this in my BoxyCharm several months ago. It was like one of the first BoxyCharms I ever got. And this is very clearly a bright red. I think it looks a little more coral on screen. It looks very coral on screen, but I promise you this is a like just bright American flag red, like a little brighter and lighter, but it's perfect for 4th of July, honestly. And then I'm going to let that sit and dry for a second, and then we will go in with a blue eyeliner, almost like a lip liner, and we'll smudge it out so that it makes kind of an ombre, and then we'll go in with a white shimmery shadow in the middle, and we will be done with our look. Okay, so now I'm going to go in with that blue eyeliner, and I'm just going to line my lips like a lip liner, really. And then I'm just going to press my lips together and use that to blend that out. And then for the final touch, I'm just going to take this white eyeshadow here from my Made for Simplicity palette. You guys have seen me use this 50 billion times before. And I'm just going to pat it in the center of my lips. That is it. So this is the final product. Really hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I know I had a lot of fun creating this look, and thank you so much for watching. Happy 4th of July to you. I know it's a little bit early, but I wanted to get this up. So happy 4th of July. I hope you guys are doing something fun to celebrate. I know my family might be meeting up with my aunt and uncle, and they might be doing some fireworks in their neighborhood. But I hope you guys are doing something fun, at the very least grilling out. I hope it's a nice day for you all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video if you want to see more tutorials from me in the future. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. It would mean the absolute world to me. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you all very, very soon. Bye, everybody.